So guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa project ng Philinvest dito sa Bacoor, Cavite. This is a Sydney Oasis. This is a 1.5 hectares mid-rise condominium project by Philinvest Land Incorporated. Ayan. So this road is going Tagaytay pag kumaliwa ka dito. And then yung mga bus na yan going Coastal Road Cavitex. So 10 minutes away from Mall of Asia. So this road going to Las Piñas din, and then Philinvest Alabang, and then very accessible sa Cavitex. Napakalapit lang. Siguro mga around 1 kilometer na sa Cavitex ka na. And then yung travel time going Mall of Asia ay 10 minutes. Yan, malayo na yung 15 minutes. Yan, napakalapit guys. So this is a Sydney Oasis by Philinvest Land Incorporated.